Wala na. Okay, I have here the Best in Slow Song, Best in Stage Performance, Best in Voice Quality, Best in Skills, and Best in Choreography. Goes to Brian Josh Montenegro.
Dito na tayo pupunta sa inaabangan yung binanggit ni Ma'am Jen.
The major
awards. Okay?
Pinag-iwalay. Okay. Siguro naman nakita naman ng lahat ng audience kung paano mag-perform ang Star of the Day. Kayo ba may idea kung sino ang Star of the Day? Meron? Meron? Meron! Dito! Sino? Sino?
Sino?
Ako na lang. Okay, Star of the Day goes to...
Music. Yeah. Talaga.
Brian Josh Montenegro! Congratulations, Brian.
Actually, lahat kayo, para sa amin, star talaga kayo. And at the same time, star din kayo ng ating mga audience this afternoon.
Lahat talaga sila nag-excel. Kasi hindi naman natin sila nakikita sa studio na ganyan mag-perform, di ba?
Yes, po.
May skills pa.
Yes.
Sa studio talagang pag-akit mo,
Naka-costume pa.
tama. At naka-makeup pa.
Naka-makeup pa.
Diba?
Talagang performer.
So, congratulations to our practice boomers for this afternoon. Of course,
demon. Girl, we could form a team and I could be the king, you could be the queen. And my mind's dirty and it don't need cleaning. I love you long time, so you know the meaning. Oh baby, I can't come down, so please come help me out. You got me feeling high and I can't step off the cloud, and I just can't get enough.